Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can turn on SMS delivery reports on Truecaller. So let's get started. Firstly, open Truecaller app in your device, then tap on Calls, next tap on three dots icon. After that, tap on Settings, next tap on Messaging, then scroll until you find SMS delivery reports. Then turn on it by tapping on it. So this is how you can turn on SMS delivery reports on Truecaller. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day, so do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you will never miss another update.